Leo sat at the table, his workbook open in front of him. Letters danced on the page, and no matter how hard he tried, he just couldn't get it right. Frustrated, he whispered to himself,
I'm bad at reading.
Grandpa walked by. He heard Leo's words, and he paused. Careful, Leo. Words are powerful, especially the ones we say about ourselves. Leo looked up, confused. But I am bad at it. I've tried and I still mess up. Grandpa smiled. Let me tell you about a boy I once knew. He used to say the same thing, until someone taught him the magic words, I am. Whatever follows those words becomes your truth. Leo, so I should lie and say I'm good at reading? Grandpa shook his head. No, you don't lie. You lead. You say, I am learning. I am improving. I am getting better every day. And then you believe it. That night, Leo stood in front of the mirror. He looked at himself and said, I am smart. I am learning. I am getting better. He felt silly at first, but something inside him felt different. The next day, he tried again and again until one day, the letters didn't dance anymore. They made sense. Grandpa smiled and said, the magic words worked, didn't they? Because the most powerful voice is the one inside your own head.